Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to point you through major talking points and features of this 420D Efficient Dynamics Gran Coupe. Alongside that, of course, I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and show you through some of the interior features in a bit more detail. We've added some very nice YNC styling to the car. Included at the front, you'll see there the gloss black kidney grills. The vehicle also comes equipped with some very nice optional extras at the front, starting with the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Moving to the side, additions we've made included the 19-inch 442 M Sport alloy wheels, which are finished in the original Bi-Orbit grey. Moving down the side, you'll see the satin side vinyls, YNC M Performance decals, and the original satin black air breathers. The vehicle also comes equipped with BMW's sun protection glazing package on the rear windows. Moving for a glance at the interior, which for this car is the optional extra black Dakota leather, which comes with the heated seat option. You'll see there the trim is the satin aluminum. As you can see there, everything in the interior is very nicely presented, much like the exterior for this car. We'll move on and show you the rear seat arrangement, which again you'll find a 3-seat Isofix arrangement with a central folding armrest, and again everything is very nice, clean and tidy. And again, a feature I like for the Efficient Dynamics is these lovely black sill plates, which works very nicely with that Glacier silver metallic that the car comes presented in. Moving round towards the rear, again another addition we've made is this high gloss rear boot spoiler, which is situated again on the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which you'll find on the variant for the Gran Coupe. Opening up that, you'll see just how much of a large capacity boot you'll find, along with the split folding seat option, again further enhancing your very already large boot space. Onto the other side, again we'll be able to show you just how nice this vehicle really is, and how nice all of the additions that we've made here at Your Next Car really do add up to make a very stunning vehicle. Before heading on inside, again I'm just going to show you off the 19-inch wheels once again. All the way around we've got the premium mixed run flat tyres on the car. And I'm going to go ahead now and take a seat inside and just run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. So now I'm sat inside. There you can see we've got the BMW business navigation and media on this car. It is a 6-speed manual and does also come equipped with the cruise and speed limiter option, as you can see there on this multi-function steering wheel. The vehicle has covered just over 91,000 miles, but hopefully you've already been able to see just in how nice condition this car is, and also does have full BMW service history, which we'll take a glance at very shortly. In terms of multimedia, there you can see you've got USB, Bluetooth audio, as well as telephone and your AUX input. You also get DAB radio, and of course the all-important satellite navigation. And we'll run through and just give you a quick glance at that all-important service history for the car. So as you can see, all of the service requirements are currently indicated in green, and the next service is not due for 18,000 miles. And if you run up to the service history now, you'll be able to see there that we've got full BMW service history right the way from the first service all the way up to the most recent. And the most recent visit was at 74361, and that was for a full service including all of the filters, which is fantastic news for any potential next owner of the car, because of course it does mean that the next service in 18,000 miles time is just a very basic oil and oil filter change. So as always, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around and of course found it useful. And of course, if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. Relevant contact information and of course website links will be in the description for you to take a look at. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully it's been useful and you'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thank you guys, see you soon, take care, goodbye.